Welcome to the new VTonline ordering system. With the help of this video tutorial, you'll find ordering online easier than ever, and you will quickly become a pro. If you have any questions or concerns, our VT customer service representatives are eager to help you every step of the way. In this video, we'll go over creating the header for your order, ordering Dimension countertops and their accessories, ordering Avant tops and their accessories, ordering CenterPointe and their accessories, and submitting an order. This may seem overwhelming in information, but we promise you will soon be entering orders with ease. At any point in this video, you can forward to the information you are searching for. When starting any order, you'll need to click on New Order and fill in the information at the header screen. You will need to choose your account, fill in the purchase order number, select a request date, and select and verify a delivery address. You will also be able to attach a note to the order as a whole. This note will not be visible to customer service. When you have verified this information, please select the Detail tab at the top of the screen. When entering a new order, you can either select New or Fresh. The New tab will create a new form that will fill in based on the last form filled. The Fresh tab will create an entirely new blank form. When entering a Dimension countertop order, you'll need to make sure that the product line reflects dimensions and the product reflects countertop. The information needed for countertops will be product type, single roll, here shown as SR, bar, kitchen, or vanity, whether it needs to be FSC certified or moisture resistant, color, quantity, length, edge profile, substrate, depth, backsplash, and miter. Some of these lines will autofill, which will require you to manually change them. When you are finished and have verified the information filled out in the form, select Finish. If you are in need of Dimension countertop accessories, when entering a Dimension countertop order, you need to make sure that the product line reflects dimensions and the product reflects accessory. When you have opened up the form to fill, you will have to select accessory type. An accessory type can be build-up kit, edging, end cap kit, end splash kit, loose backsplash, miter bolt kit, miter bolts, special custom end splash, or sticking. The information needed for most accessories will be color, quantity, glued or raw, left-handed or right-handed, whether it needs to be FSC certified or moisture resistant, and length, height, width, or thickness of the accessory needed. Some of these lines will autofill, which will require you to manually change them. When you are finished and have verified the information filled out in the form, select Finish. When entering an Avant vanity top order, you'll need to make sure that the product line reflects Avant and the product reflects vanity top. The information needed for Avant vanity tops will be quantity, depth, length, color, backsplash height, polish, left-handed, right-handed, or neither, sink type, and faucet hole type. Some of these lines will autofill, which will require you to manually change them. When you are finished and have verified the information filled out in the form, select Finish. If you are in need of Avant accessories, you will need to make sure that the product line reflects Avant and the product reflects accessory. When you have opened up a form to fill, you will have to enter in a quantity and select an accessory type. An accessory type can be backsplash, custom stone, which will mostly be used for splashes taller than 4 inches, side splash, and sink. The information needed for Avant accessories will be quantities, color, length, sink type, polish quantity, and polish sides. When you are finished and have verified the information filled out in the form, select Finish. When entering a CenterPointe countertop order, you will need to make sure that the product line reflects CenterPoint and the product reflects Butcher Block Countertop. When talking about CenterPoint, the word species will be brought up a few times. This is referring to the wood species, which would be offered as acacia or hevea. The information needed for Butcher Block countertops will be quantity, species, depth, and length. When you are finished and have verified the information filled out in the form, select Finish. If you're in need of CenterPoint accessories, when entering a dimension countertop order, you will need to make sure that the product line reflects CenterPoint and the product reflects Butcher Block accessories. The information needed for Butcher Block accessories will be quantity, accessory type, and species. When you are finished and have verified the information filled out in the form, select Finish. After each line is entered, it will bring you back to the detail screen. This screen allows you to double check that everything you've entered is correct. You can always reverse the order of line items from first to last or last to first, which way may seem easier for you. Review these items, and if you feel like they are correct, and then select the header tab. This will bring you back to the screen where we began on. From here you can view your line item ship dates. Select Calculate Ship Dates. This will calculate each item with a projected ship date. This is the recommended way. Select Submit. This will allow the system to choose the next standard projected ship date. After hitting Submit, you're able to select a shipping date of your choice. This should be used for future dating, as the system will select the standard ship date for your account. After you have double-checked the order and dates, you may select Submit to send off to production. You will receive acknowledgement within 1 business day. These are sent out once they reach the production floor. Once you receive the acknowledgement, please review and immediately reach out to customer service with any concerns. If you need any other assistance or have any other questions about our VTonline system, you can watch these other helpful videos or call your customer service representatives at 888-287-8356. Thank you for choosing to be part of the VT Industries family.